E ua reka, e parāoa reka e.
So we're called Knead. We played around with lots of different ideas. It kind of set well with us because it was a good play on words as well. Not only is it something that you do to a dough, you physically need the dough, but it was able to be like something that you need. So Knead actually started about 3 years ago now, and it was just, to be quite honest, I had 2 little babies and I was at home. We live rurally in Eltham, and I just needed something to do as a creative outlet. I'd always enjoyed baking and done baking for my mahi previously before having tamariki. So I just wanted to, just pretty much get my brain working, and we started off with sourdough, and I really enjoyed the challenge that sourdough brought, and it just kind of grew from there.
He toru tau ki muri tumata ai tēnei Pākihi I ngā mākete o Arakamu. Gāta I ka wānui ake tōna anga anei e tū ana ko tō rātou ware.
We started our journey maybe about 1.5 to 2 years ago now. We made the decision that there's no reo speakers in our whānau anymore, and we didn't want that to carry on for generations ahead. So we made the decision about 1.5 to 2 years ago to put our children into total immersion at Te Kōpai Piripono, and from there, we've just got to back it up at home as well. So backed it up there, and then needed to carry it through into our business purely so that we have spaces that our kids are seeing reo spoken in every day. But also for everybody, it might be the only part of someone's week where they hear reo spoken in conversation rather than just a greeting and an ending of an email. It's a conversation that's being heard.
I tīmata ai tōna whānau ki te ako I te Reo Māori, mā kona, kākū ko te reo ki te ware o Knead.
Our coffee board is all written up in reo, and we have our kupu board as well, which is new, and we keep that rolling over each week with new kupu. I ask our tamariki for new kupu and incorporate them into that process. Also just on our social media, keeping a Reo Māori presence on our socials as well.
He waka wānui ake I te waka mai ngā o tō tātou reo rangatira ki ngā pātū o tōna Pākihi, tētei wainganona.
To keep the community that we have, like no matter where we go and what we do with Knead, keeping our core values all the way through, keeping that safe space for people to have a go at reo. I think that it's really cool that we see people come through and ask us pātai about how do I say this or what's the kupu for this, and us not being fluent ourselves, we're all on the journey together, and it's just creating those spaces, I think, and keeping those spaces available for everyone to feel comfortable to give it a go, and yeah.
E a ki no Benton, kia kōrero tia, Te Reo Māori, Aroha Broughton-Pue, Te Reo o te uru.